Hello everyone, it's Nitij here. Today we will be focusing on the Next.js head component. So what exactly is this component? It's a specialized feature in Next.js that allows us to interact with and modify the head section of our HTML pages. Here we can set page titles, meta tags, link style sheets, and many more things, which are critical for both SEO and the overall user experience. Now, how do we use this component? It's pretty straightforward. We will import head from next head and then wrap our desired head elements like title and meta tags within this component. This approach ensures that our head elements are correctly placed and rendered in our application. Also, you cannot use this component with the app router. This component is only available in pages routing. With app router, you need to use a specialized metadata object which is much more advanced than this head component. So let's jump into some practical examples and see the head component in action. This first example demonstrates the fundamental usage of Next.js head component to set the title and meta description of a web page. By placing a title and a meta tag inside the head component, we ensure that each page has a unique title and description, which is important for SEO and user experience. This is a straightforward approach for static pages where the title and description do not change dynamically. So over here in the console, you can see the title and the meta description tag with the values that we have set in our head component. In this next example, the head component is being used to dynamically set the page title based on a prop value, showcasing the flexibility of Next.js in handling dynamic content. The page title changes depending on the value of the article title prop, which could be fetched from an API or passed through other components. This dynamic approach is especially useful for content-driven websites like blogs or news websites, where each page's title might correspond to an article's headline. For instance, over here, we are providing the article's title by fetching it from the server from any kind of database and then providing that title with a prop value, which is article title. Now in the component, the article title prop is being used to set the title of this article page. Now, because the article title is being set from the server, the search engine optimization of this article page will also greatly increase because the metadata information is being rendered from the server directly instead of dynamically being set from the client-side JavaScript. In this third example, a part of a script URL is dynamically loaded from an environment variable using the head component. This method is practical for scenarios where different environments like development, staging, and production require different scripts or configuration values. The script URL is constructed using the script key environment variable, allowing the loading of environment-specific scripts, which is critical for maintaining different behaviors or analytics across various deployment stages. You can use .env files specific to dev or production environments to set different values for the script key that you might be using inside your head component. This means that when the script will render within the head element, it will use our environment variable's value within the script source, like over here, script local script key.js, and the same script will be downloaded by the browser to use in our website. Now, because this script URL is not valid, we are seeing a 404 response. But the idea behind using this approach is to utilize the head component to dynamically set the script source based on the environment in which our application is running. And that, my friends, was everything about utilizing the head component in Next.js. I hope this video gives you a solid understanding of how to effectively manage your web application's head section with Next.js. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing. It really helps me out and ensures you don't miss out on more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.